In what way does Satan exercise control over the fallen and evil world? Even Satan, who is the prince of this world, can perform evil actions only when he finds a person with whom he has a common basis. Satan spiritually influences every person in physical, trying to make them live wickedly. Of course, Satan's sexual influence aims to make these people basically act satanically with their physique. In addition, Satan's power is also manifested in people on earth through the influence of evil spirits in the spiritual world and evil people living in hell. Satan is a spiritual being. He can manifest himself by transcending time and space as long as he finds common ground with a person on earth. When the Bible, in Luke 22 verse 3, says that Satan entered Judas Iscariot, it means that by establishing a common basis at the spiritual level, Judas a relationship at the level of thoughts, feelings, and emotions with Satan, and Judas unfortunately became his instrument. Not only did Satan drive Judas to betray Jesus, but then drove him to such torment and guilt that he hanged himself. This is because in the end, Satan's ultimate goal is to make a person end his earthly life, and thus also the chance to grow spiritually and redeem himself on earth. So that then Satan has the power to reclaim this person in his own hellish kingdom in the spiritual world. To restore the kingdom of heaven on earth together with God means to build a world in which Satan cannot absolutely act through any person, cannot find a common basis. To accomplish this, each of us must, through knowledge of God's ultimate truth, His new revelations, completely eliminate our personal relationship with Satan, and restore our original relationship with God, responding only to Him and living in accordance with His purpose of creation.